It's a red wine type of night, guys. Okay, hi. This is me on Friday night. I don't typically sit down and record videos on my bed surrounded by a whole bunch of hair extensions, but here we are. I don't know what makes me think I'm qualified to make a video about a topic that I know pretty much nothing about, but you know, that's kind of the point, to me at least. When I watch a YouTube tutorial, I don't like when I can't use the same tools this person does, or I can't exactly perfect the way they do something, or our facial structures are different. But I feel like this topic I'm about to talk about today doesn't require that much thought, because listen, if I can do it, anybody can. So I want to talk to you guys today about a hidden gem of the world. I honestly did not know anything about Amazon wigs until a week ago, but my journey in the past week has been spiritual. And it has been so moving that I feel I need to share it with the rest of you because it's a mood. Listen, Amazon wigs are so fun. If nothing else, they're fun, but I think they're fabulous. So I have 3 wigs I've been wearing for the past week, and then I have a box right here of 3 more wigs that I haven't even opened yet from the packaging. I have no idea how they're gonna look, but I'm gonna try them on with you guys and try to make them look as natural as possible and just show you guys what they look like. And I'll link them below, and if you guys want to buy them, do it. They're all super cheap. I guess the first thing I do, and again, I don't know, this is someone who just bought the wigs on Amazon last week and has worn them confidently for the past 7 days with no knowledge if it looks good or not, just kind of going with the flow. I think it looks good, and if you think it looks bad, haha, you're probably right. Or maybe you're not, I don't know. Honestly, I will say a thing about me is when I'm wearing one of these wigs, I don't give 2 shits if you know it's fake. I would hope you know it's fake. Like, who cares? I'm just trying to like strut out in my wig. So don't think I'm trying to be like, these look so natural. Cause like, guys, there's nothing natural about it. That's not the point. If anything, the point is the complete opposite. I don't know how normal like wig experts start, but I start by pulling back my hair into a ponytail, and then I take a bobby pin. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think you've learned that by now. Most of these wigs came with wig caps, so now, and I ordered some too because I didn't know that, so now I have like an abundance of wig caps. Voila, hello, wig cap, snatched, literally. Okay, I'm gonna start with a wig I already use. It's not new from Amazon right now, it's one I've been wearing for the past week. I'm gonna start with her. So I bought her because, hello Kylie Jenner blue hair moment. This wig is, I believe, $15.99, but the roots are as black as my shirt. And I understand that like wigs are supposed to have a certain type of root so that they look more real, but I feel like a lot of these wigs, and I will say this, a lot of these wigs on Amazon, the root goes down really far. Like, see how far that goes down? But again, I don't know. I'll put it on and you guys can be the judge. But I will say this one, out of the 3 I've already used, is definitely the funniest. However, I will show you ways to make it look better. I don't regret buying this. I still love her, but let me just put it on. Hi. Doesn't this look so natural? How come it likes to go into my eyes? There are ways that you can make this wig still a moment. You just can never take your hat off. Here's my hat, it says babe. I own way too many things that say babe on it. If you move the hair back, it'll get out of your face, and then that looks so much better. Again, this isn't meant to look real, but it looks better. Like, I'd walk out of the house like this, and you guys might be laughing at me being like, you shouldn't. I don't care. I'm not trying to look like this is my hair, I'm just trying to chill. But I think this looks pretty good with the hat on. Like, this looks a lot better because you don't see the black roots. You pretty much just see this like glowy blue. I mean, do whatever you want. If you walked out of the house like this, I wouldn't laugh at you. I'd laugh at myself, but not you. However, you should probably have a hat, but that's just my suggestion. Okay, what a mood. Okay, so wig number 1, cheapest one, black roots, not my fave, but with a hat, I'm feeling it, so I love. Okay, hello unboxing. Yeah, I literally don't know. I know the 3 wigs, but I don't know which one this is, so it's kind of exciting. Okay, so Sis is a long wig. It's like jet black. I've never had jet black hair in my life. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like majorly staticky, which I guess makes sense. It was just in that bag. I'm gonna brush her out. I'm scared because I don't want to be like, darn, I don't look like I thought I would. Like, for some reason, I feel like I'm gonna put this on, I'm gonna look like Kim K. I mean, what do we think of this? I feel like when I turn to certain angles, I'm like, it's fine, but I'm not like, whoa, like my whole world has changed right now. Okay, I'm not stupid. I know my eyebrows don't match this. I think this one, just like the last one, just needs a hat. Let's see. Like if you got rid of this whole area of the wig, and it was just like so much less hair, like I think that looks a lot better when it's out of my face. Honestly, I think maybe this wig just needs to be thinned out. Like I'm not saying this is my look, I don't think it is. However, I don't know. I love how now that I'm like playing with it, I'm kind of like, do I love it? But let's see. Yeah, I just don't know. What do you guys think? I just don't know. Looking at this right now, if I like cut off the top, I actually think I look pretty okay. Like I actually think this color might bring out like my eyes. I don't know what it's doing. See, that's a vibe. Like I actually think that looks pretty dope. It's actually kind of bizarre how much better that looks. But anyway, wig number 2, here we are. Here's she. Hello. Okay, that was fun. So now I want to show you guys another wig that I've already been wearing. This one is definitely like a really good one. I brushed through it a lot to thin it out. It was very thick curls, but it just didn't look real to me. I think it's the same problem I'm having with that black one. I think if I keep brushing through that, because like so much hair was coming out, that could actually look pretty good. Anyway, we're moving on to this one now. So she's rose gold. We love her. She's fun, she's fabulous, and she's everything I hoped for. Like, I should have styled this more before I just showed it to you guys, because like when I really work with this one, like this one looks good. Like I really think this one is a good one. It's so like fabulous and fun, and I just think it's a really fun color to like rock. I have a really good time with anything pink, so I really like this color. Literally, I'm obsessed. It just like brings everything together. I definitely love this wig. I love this color. I think it's really fun. And yeah, it was everything I hoped for and more. So I definitely recommend this one. I think you just have to know what you're in for. Here it is. So the next one in line is this pink one. I have high hopes for this one, so I hope it doesn't let me down. It has no roots, and I don't know what that necessarily is gonna look like. But it's better than like really, really bad roots, so I don't know. It's definitely a short-haired bob moment, and I don't know, I just love pink hair. It's my favorite color, so it's only fair it would look right on me. Isn't that how it works? This one's definitely tighter. First impression, I didn't realize this wig was so short. It looks kind of fun, but at the same time, like the back, like you can almost probably see my real hair underneath. And I don't know, the back screams like, can I speak to the manager, please? I can't see it, but you guys look and tell me. Like, can you see my real hair right now? Like in the back? I can't tell if you can or not. I can't wait to watch that back and find out. I don't know what I think of this one. I hate the back. Well, like, what is this? Yeah, that's not good. Like, if it stayed this length in the front, I think it would look pretty good. But because it doesn't, I just can't get on board with that. I don't know. Maybe I'm being overly critical. What is that? What's that girl from Lazy Town? I look like her. Okay, that was a journey. I really have high hopes for this last one. I have this vision in my head of how it's going to look, and if it doesn't look like the vision, I will be bummed. It's this one. I just think this is absolutely stunning. I think it's so gorgeous, such a pretty color. It's also straight hair. I think from my experience so far with wigs, is probably the way that looks the realest to me. At least with my favorite wig, which I'll show you guys last because it's the one I'm actually going to like wear after this is over. But this one is straight too, so I'm hoping it has the same look. This one has the netting in the front, which I don't have scissors with me right now, so I'm not gonna be able to cut that off, but I'll try to like tuck them under or something. But that's a pretty good sign to me because my favorite wig also had the netting. What was that story where that like girl like spins straw into gold? That's what I get from this. Just like beautiful like caramel color. I love this. This is so pretty. Okay, moment of truth. It definitely needs a little bit of styling, but I definitely see potential. I really do. I see potential. Like maybe if I had the right eyebrow pencil and like makeup to kind of go with this look, I think this could actually look really good. Like my makeup goes with it not at all, and I need to cut this. But I'm not gonna do that yet. But I actually think I love this. Yeah, I think I love this, which makes me very happy. It obviously needs some more work, but like I feel like it's one of the better looking ones. Yeah, I feel really good about this one. For me to have just put this on my head from the bag, I'm impressed. I'm impressed and I like it. Okay, so lastly, I want to share with you guys my favorite wig I have purchased. Now, I'm a blonde. We know this. And this wig is blonde. I'm obsessed with this wig. It's my favorite one. I think it looks the most real. I'm the most used to it, which again, might be just be because I am blonde. However, amazing. I love this wig so much. Okay, here we are, and I love it. I really think it looks so much like my hair already. It just needs a little bit of teasing right now, like I just brushed the hell out of it. But it is so pretty. I think it's just, and you can move the part around too to like where it works for you, and it doesn't look weird or anything. So I really like that. And I think it's just really fun. It's, again, it's the most like my hair, or like, you know, I'd wear this on a daily basis. Like, it's very similar to what I'm already used to. It's just, I love being a blonde. It's just fun. Honestly, with wigs, I like to incorporate just a little something, like a sweatband or a hat, or just something to kind of help it look more real, like than it just standing alone. That's just what I like to do personally. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite. That's why I did it last. I think it looks so real and so good, and I just love it so much. I definitely love trying out different hairstyles and not having to have the commitment of actually dyeing my hair or like, you know, doing anything drastic. And just because I might have looked funny in one or two of these wigs, I'm still gonna wear them. I promise you, I will wear every wig I just put on. I don't care. I will. Somehow, some way, I will find a way to make them look good and I will wear them. B, you might look totally different in it than I do. If I look silly, you might look absolutely fabulous. And I guarantee you anybody watching this is gonna look so fabulous in any of these wigs because I think they're all fabulous, and as long as you feel good about yourself, that's what should matter. So if you liked any of these wigs, I have them linked down below. They are super cheap, and I really think that orange one that I just showed you guys that I like compared to like gold, like that one I can tell is like the best quality along with this one. And so I think they look the most real. That rose gold one too is like one of my favorites. And I really love that blue one with a baseball cap. So if anybody does wear wigs and you're so inclined to give me some advice, I would love that. So definitely let me know anything I could be doing differently to make my wigs look more real, because that's greatly appreciated. And I hope you learned a thing or two from this, if nothing else, you know, what you want to purchase and what you don't. But if you've ever considered wearing a wig before, I 10 out of 10 recommend it. You definitely should just try it. I mean, especially on Amazon. That's why I think Amazon wigs are such an underrated gift, because it's like none of the risk, all of the reward. Like, they're very cheap, and if they look good, great, and if they don't, like, maybe you learn something for the future. So I totally recommend it. Definitely check it out. And if any of you wear wigs, or if you do from this video, let me know your experiences too, because I'm curious. I'm gonna go mess with all these wigs now and see what I can come up with, and maybe I'll post some updates in the future. But I hope this was beneficial and fun. I had so much fun doing it, so hopefully you guys had fun watching it and going along the journey with me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for seeing it. I had so much fun, and I'm gonna conclude it with a cheers. Have a lovely day, evening, night, whatever you're doing, and wear whatever hair you want, honey, because you are a queen. Cheers!